There's no doubt financial advice adds value. And that's where we're coming from and saying, if it adds value, charge for that value, and make it more transparent. And I think it comes full circle. You talk about this mistrust. As we explored this market and got to know, spoke to young people whose problem we were trying to solve. So we thought, great, we're going to build this fantastic product that has a great user experience and helps them understand what they're doing. But a lot of the mistrust wasn't purely from them not understanding what to do. It was just years and years of an industry entrenched in this way of operating that had caused them to think of financial advisors the same way as the stereotypical secondhand car salesman. It's a reputation. And a lot of financial advisors will absolutely legitimately argue it's not a fair reputation, but the model that they operate under has created that.